Hello everyone, welcome back to another midweek technical look. And this week we're going to have a look at gold prices, Bitcoin and US 500 that have some reaction in the market, especially after the ceasefire within the Iran and Israel. So having a start with gold prices, we can see that after the aggressive selling interest, the price is currently trying to recoup some losses, holding within the 50 and the 20-day SMAs around the 33.24 and 33.53 region. So any movements above these lines, it may challenge again the restrictive region of 3400 to 3440. Now, to confirm a bullish movement in the market, the price needs to break to the upside this trading range, which has been holding since April 10th and hitting the all-time high at 3500. A move higher could endorse the bullish bias, meeting the 423.6% Fibonacci extension level at 3600, taken from this down leg here from 2790 to 2535. Now, on the other hand, if there is a slip beneath the 50-day SMA, then the price may find first support at the 32.77 barrier, which is also holding near this long-term ascending trend line ahead of the 3200 level, and even lower the lower band of this range at 31.67. Now, if there is a move beneath the 3120 area, then it will confirm that we may see steeper decreases, meeting the 2950 region and the 200-day SMA at 2920. We have some contradicting signs from the technical oscillators. The RSI is pointing slightly up and is trying to cross above the 50 region. However, the MACD is holding beneath its trigger line and is approaching the zero level, so it's suggesting that we may see some more downside movements in the market before continuing the upside structure. Now, turning to US 500, we can see that the price overcame the 6100 region and surpassed the 6070 area, which was acted as a strong resistance in the past, with the potential to hit the all-time high at 6147. If there is a move above the all-time high, then the price may move towards the next round numbers such as 6200 and 6300, ahead of the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of this downward wave here from 5787 to 4800 at 6400. Alternatively, a move back below the 6070 support, then the price may find the next support at the 20-day SMA around the 6000 region, ahead of the previous bottom at 5920, and even lower the region within the 5787 to 5850, which encapsulates the 50 and the 200-day SMAs. The RSI is pointing slightly up, but is still beneath the 70 area. The MACD is trying to cross above its trigger line, holding above the zero area, so both of them are suggesting that we may see some more gains in the market and a potential new all-time high. And now, switching to Bitcoin, we can see that the price overcame the 107th round number, and the price is trying to test this descending trend line around the 107.830, ahead of the previous all-time high near the 112,000 region. The price is also holding above the 250-day SMAs, which is also a bullish sign, and if there is a move above the all-time peak, then the price may test the next round numbers such as 113 and 114,000 area, ahead of the 115 region. On the flip side, the move beneath the SMAs and beneath this inside swing low here at 103,200,000 region, then the price may test this inside swing high around the 97,700, ahead of the 200-day SMA near the 96,000 area. Now, we can see that the technical oscillators are having some mixed signs. The RSI is holding above the 50 area, but is trying to to move to the downside. The stochastic is trying to overcome the 80 level to confirm that we may see some more gains, and the MACD is flattening near its trigger and zero line. So I think that we have to be cautious here in Bitcoin, and don't believe there is a break above this descending trend line. We can see the price testing the all-time high again. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.